Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we have a look of Theta Network. What's the prices goes in Theta coin, what's the high price, what is the currently change occur in Theta coin. In this video I will show you and I also show you as it the best time to buy, sell or hold Theta coin. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates videos friend. Don't forget to subscribe. So friends, as you can see now on the screen, Theta Network goes very highly up. As you can see here on the screen, the change occur in the graph. As you can see here, they tell us all about the Theta coin in the last 1 hour. Only the last 1 hour change you are watching now friends. 0.33% change occur in Theta Network in the last 1 hour. Absolutely a good change. And the high price of the Theta coin in the last 1 hour period is 12.51 USD dollar is the high price of Theta Network in the last 1 hour friends. And now let's see the last 4 hour price predictions. What's the change goes in the last 4 hour and a Theta Network. Absolutely the last 4 hour price prediction is on the jumping. As you can see here, take a high jump the last 4 hour. If you look the change occur in Theta Network in the last 4 hour is positive 2.92% change occur in Theta Network, and the last 4 hour and the high price is 12.51 USD dollar is the high price of Theta Network in the last previous 4 hour friends. So I like this kind of changes. I am also a holder of Theta coin. That is why my suggestion, that is why I'm very happy to see this kind of changes. As you can see here friends, the last 1 day price prediction, the last 1 day price change occur in a Theta Network. I think they start jumping upward from the previous last sixth hour. They take a jumping, as you can see here, and now at this time they are also in the jumping. The change occur in the last 1 day is positive 2.87% change occur in the last 1 day, and same like that the high price is 12.52 USD dollar is the high price of Theta Network in the last 1 day friends. So as you know, the according to the price predictions of the Theta coin, the all changes are in positive, and that is why I like Theta coin. And my suggestion for all of Theta coin holders, that please hold your Theta coin, because it is a start of the pumping. So the big pump are coming soon, so wait for it. That will make you millionaire in this month. So please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel, stay connected with us, and don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.